Hi, I'm Yoga sir. Many of you are working in accounts and finance for several years, but your salary might be only 20 to 25,000 rupees. You may be thinking how to move next level of salary. For that, SAP has given a model called as finance. You learn finance, definitely your salary would be double and triple within a few years. And not only that, this SAP finance can be learned by fresher also. Come with me, I will explain you. Hi, this is the location of ITC Cloud Tech, Chennai, Nagar. This is located near Nagar East Metro and Roundtana Signal. Now I am at ITC Cloud Tech, Chennai, Nagar. This is our website and mobile number. You can contact for training requirements anytime. Now we are seeing SAP Finance or FICO. So in this FICO, we cover entire finance and accounts process from basic to advanced level. That means up to taxation we are covering in this. And these are the industries are using SAP, IT, automotive, machinery, production, retail, e-commerce, pharma, logistics, supply chain, oil and gas, chemical. All big companies are using SAP Finance. And who can learn? Experienced people in accounts and finance. In addition, freshers, BCom, MCom, MBA, CA, BBA, BA, all can learn this. Next, our method of training. How we train you in case if you join. We train practically maximum 3 members in a batch. So you will get individual attention. We have classroom as well as online classroom. Next, our level of training is combines implementation and consultants. Really, I am telling 95% of training institutes are never covers these two, implementation and consultant. So since we are there for more than 17 years, we are able to cover these two in SAP FICO module. So our teaching language, we teach in English, we teach in Tamil, we teach in Telugu. So learn SAP, join in a big company and get big salary, settle happily.